Garrison Church of Saints Apostles Peter and Paul. The construction of the first building in Lviv began in 1610. To regret, when Soviet communists came into power in Lviv in the middle of 20th century, the church was closed, and from the 1946 up to 2011 the church was used as a book depository. So it was reopened only in December of 2011 on the occasion of the 20th of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. Yeah, so we can say that now this church one of the youngest church in Lviv, because it was opened the most, it was opened only 10 years ago. But the building itself reopened 10 years ago, but the building itself is more than 400 years.